unveiling the 508S model, a box motion type packaging machine that enables unparalleled efficiency in the baking industry. Discover how the RD-BM-508 elevates production standards with its no product, no bad function, an intelligent post mechanism that prevents wastage and ensures a striking 99.99% packaging film utilization. The intuitive operation allows for a smooth user-friendly experience, enhancing workflow and reducing downtime. Witness the precision of a machine intelligence safety feature. This anti-cutting technology strategically detects pending cuts, promptly opening the blades to redirect the product, thereby bolstering yield and reducing waste, preserving the freshness and shape of every baked good. The RD-BM-508 sets industry benchmarks with a packing speed of 55 batches per minute, merging rapid performance with consistent reliability. Each package is a testament to the machine's unwavering efficiency and our commitment to quality.